Okay, so hi, let's start with the most trending and demanding topic of industry, that is analytics, or we can say business intelligence. So in today's session, we will be discussing about what exactly analytics is, what are the types of analytics, how the life cycle works for in terms of analytics, and then what are the tools that are used so that you can achieve and you can work with major dashboards, stories, and all. So let's begin with what exactly analytics is. So, analytics is a kind of data that we have, or the data that is generated on a regular basis. So how to convert, how to figure out like what type of data needs to be used to have a best business insights, or that actually help you to achieve great growth in the business. So analytics is all about turning your data into business insights or into a useful information. The data is always in a raw form. That means whatever data we are generating on regular basis, like it can be through the social media, it can be by buying any product and then filling some feedback forms and all. So all that stuff is being processed, it's been monitored, and through that only we will be figuring out what is the important data associated with us, or how we will be dealing with the useful information that will help us to have a good growth in the business, or to deal with the clients, or to give some good profit insights to our business. So that is what analysis is all about. That means analyzing the parameters and converting and dealing with the data so that we can have enough information and a good growth and a good profit within our business. So dealing with that, we have a lot of categories, like how analytics, or what are the types of analytics associated with it. So let's move to the next part, that is types of analytics. So we have various types of analytics associated with us, like we have different levels. So the very first category is all about descriptive analytics, where we need to find, or we need to analyze like what actually happened. Why, like if we are talking in terms of business, then why we are having some downfalls, or why there is a loss, or why we are not getting proper growth. So descriptive analytics only gives us the information like is everything going well, or we need to modify, or we need to just focus upon some strategies and all. Then we have diagnostic, where we need to diagnose, or where we need to just focus upon like what is the cause, or what is the reason behind this descriptive analytics. So it this is similar to like medical field. If you go to doctor, they keep on analyzing, or they offered you some sort of test. So same way here, uh, we are dealing with the data, so we need to focus upon that, and we need to uh, diagnose like what is the reason, where we need to focus, or where we need to implement some business decisions. So after descriptive and diagnostic, we have the third level, or the third type, that is predictive analytics, where what will happen. That means here we are dealing with the future. If we change some strategies, or if we use some statistical models, then how the data, or how might we can have changes in future, so that we focus upon this. And then we have prescriptive analytics, where we need to start work on it, like whatever predictions we have done, we need to achieve them. So in that case, we need to start working on it, or we can say call to an action, like whatever action you can start associating with that, where there can be some suggestions that help you to solve the problems that are being able in your business. So depending upon that, we deal with prescriptive analytics. And last one is cognitive analytics. This is the new category that is nowadays integrated with intelligent technologies, or we can say it's a part of artificial intelligence, where the purpose of, or the